So this time of year, there could be young barred owls that have left their territory and are just wandering around, and they wouldn't necessarily respond to the hoot of a territorial hoot. In fact, they might steer away from that because
this is black and white warbler. I've seen a couple of people's heads snap up with this loud
squeaky wheel.
Black and white warbler doing that high pitch.
So a young owl that's not territorial and wouldn't come in toward that territorial call. In fact, it would probably go away from it. If there's a young owl wandering around, it might hear the squeak and say, "Oh, that sounds like I might be able to steal food from somebody." So I'll try the squeaking a little bit. So lots of little birds. Woodpeckers love to come. I've attracted this a lot for some reason.